chronic headaches for the last 20 years or so, right?
Yeah.
Been to chiropractor, massage. We're gonna see if for some reason maybe I'll be able to get some results. It's the plan, right? Come right in here. Whoa.
I'm just gonna let the blood go back into my brain.
Just take that one in for a second.
Well, that was uneventful after the last one.
They can't all be, don't get greedy. And let's have you take a seat on this chair over here.
Sitting forward.
Yeah, just like that. No, I want you to straddle it.
Yeah.
You feel pretty locked up in this top area in here. So basically, I'm going to yank your skull off of your head.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so I'm going to come right in here. First, we're going to do this side. And just relax this head down.
Ooh.
That just fall. Good. Copycat.
That's not happening.
How do we feel?
I'm just maybe a little lightheaded.
Yeah, I mean, we got some movement there in that neck, so you shouldn't be suffering with headaches for 20 years.
I think that'll definitely help.